So Sport Wellington is a regional sports trust, a not-for-profit organisation that supports the region to become healthy and active. We want to have equitable access to physical activity, particularly play, active recreation and sport. My role at Sport Wellington is the Future Planning and Projects Manager. I look after a team of people who understand the future of sport and active rec in the Wellington region. We look at trends, relationships, partnerships that we need or have, and how we can better service them into the future. About 2 years ago, we were invested in through Sport New Zealand, who's one of our major funding partners, to develop a digital strategy, and it really highlighted that our IT infrastructure and software that we're using were not fit for purpose. We had an old stakeholder management database based in Access, which was becoming a rundown, difficult to maintain, and the data was very inflexible. When we came down to looking at different CRMs, it came down to integration, it came down to ease of use, and then it came down to cost for us. So one of the major benefits of CRM has been people being able to see that things can be done in different ways, and to really cut back on the admin time, which we don't have a lot of overheads for admin being a not-for-profit.
I'm Ashleigh Baker, I'm the Healthy Lifestyles Manager at Sport Wellington, and we believe physical activity is fundamental for healthier, happier people and well-connected communities. Green Prescription is a free program to support adults, individuals, whānau, to improve their health and well-being, primarily through physical activity and nutrition support. CRM is a really important tool in supporting the delivery of our Green Prescription program because it enables us to track an individual's journey, it enables us to connect participants together. The patient journey for somebody on Green Prescription, generally they're referred from their medical professional. We would receive that referral electronically, put it onto our database, which would go into our wait list. As soon as a Healthy Lifestyle Coordinator is available, they would be allocated, and the Healthy Lifestyle Coordinator will be able to see on their dashboard who that participant is, where they're living, and arrange to either meet face-to-face or have a chat over the phone. We did record this information prior to CRM, but it was, in a way, it was really inefficient, to be honest, and it was really hard to get that data back out of the old Access database. But with Power BI, we can do it in a couple of clicks and have a really cool visualization of where a person started and where they're at now. The 3 team leads and myself would use the Power BI to report on what we've been up to for the quarter and what impact we've had. Sport Wellington's been on quite a journey with our digital strategy. We had a look at our capability, our website, our database, CRM, to see what functionality was there and what was needed. The team was sceptical. Adopting any new IT system is hard, but as soon as they could see what the benefits were to them, they were away. So being able to work remotely, being able to update their participants' information in real time, that's all really powerful because they're busy, busy people. Working with Magnetism has been great. They live and breathe dynamic CRMs, so you really get the sense that this is what they do and this is what they do well. My background's in health. I've never worked on an IT project like this before, but I felt like Magnetism really took the time to understand what it is that we do, why it's important, and how the CRM was going to support us to do that. Magnetism do spend time building really strong relationships with their customers. It's just made everything so much easier on this back end when we're talking about changes and implementing different design features.